On 31st of October around 1 p.m. noon, Bokajan Police intercepted a long platform truck carrying land excavator machine JCB at Jortogbi village falling under the jurisdiction of Khatkhati Police Station. It was informed that the land excavator machine JCB was stolen from the outskirts of Borpeta Police Station. 5 people were arrested in connection to this case. They were identified as Rafiqul Islam, 31 years old from Mahori Gaon, Borpeta; Muhammad Imza Mamul Khan, 21 years old from Bedbari Gaon, Borpeta; Asan Uddin from Borpeta; Sarjahan Ali from Borpeta and Hassan Ali from Borpeta. The long platform truck bearing registration number NL01K8157 carrying JCB land excavator machine was seized by the Bokajan Police and kept under their custody at Bokajan Police Station. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbing Long Line.